Hi, welcome back to the CapCut desktop tutorial for beginners. In the previous video, we learned how to add photos and videos into the timeline. In this video, we will continue with the next step, how to cut, trim, and split your photos or videos in CapCut desktop. These are essential basic skills that you need before moving on to more advanced editing. Alright, let's get started. After importing your media into the timeline, the first important step is to set your project's aspect ratio. To do this, click the ratio option in the bottom left corner. Here, you can choose different formats, such as 16:9 landscape, perfect for YouTube, 9:16 portrait, ideal for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. For this tutorial, I will use 9:16 ratio. As you can see, the media we imported may have different sizes or dimensions, so we need to adjust them to match the project ratio. Here's how. Select a photo or video, then click Crop. A new window will appear. Click the drop-down option and choose a ratio that matches your project. Then click Confirm. Repeat this step for all your media. Now let's move on to the main part, cut, trim, and split. There are several ways to do this. 1. Delete left. To remove the part on the left side of the playhead, click Delete Left or press Q on your keyboard. 2. Delete Right. To remove the right side of the playhead, click Delete Right or press W. 3. Split. To split your video into two parts, click Split or press Ctrl+B. For undo, if you make a mistake, don't worry. You can simply click Undo or press Ctrl+C to go back. Alright everyone, that's how you cut, trim, and split videos in CapCut desktop. In the next video, we will explore the timeline in more detail and start learning basic editing techniques. So make sure you follow or subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.